I am going to the eye doctor. Yep. Okay, Abella. Can you read this? I think it says TSVUTOLATCZM LBXZASUVLMINE, and I can't read the other two lines. They just look like big blurs. Okay, you'll need level 2 glasses. Oh, okay. I'll give them. Here you go. Now enjoy your day. Okay. Yay! I can see much better. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.